Regular communication and coordination of activities can be powerful for everyone. This is true in business like it is in strategy. Whether you are holding daily huddles or once-a-week meetings, communicating is a powerful way to keep strategy and actions moving forward. Let's look at both of these types of communication methods a little closer. The first one we will look at is improvement meetings. All teams can find great benefits in meeting with one another at least weekly. They can share their progress, struggles, and accomplishments. In these meetings, team members may also choose to brainstorm ideas, assign action items, or suggest new opportunities for improvements. Meetings can be especially beneficial when kaikaku, or breakthrough improvements, are in progress. Keep in mind that while weekly meetings certainly will help with success, they are not the goal of Lean, Six Sigma, or pull system implementation. The goal is always to improve. With this in mind, you must remember that meetings should not be excessive, drawn out, or overly detailed. They should be as short as possible. You may plan to have your improvement meetings at the start of your day. Huddles are another very effective way to communicate. A huddle is an action by a team to strategize, support, and motivate one another towards accomplishing or aligning objectives and goals. Huddles are typically held before an activity takes place. Huddles can be held in any area or department of an organization. They do not need specific rooms, just a format to conduct the huddle. The main difference between a huddle and a meeting is both how it is conducted and the amount of time the huddle takes compared to a meeting. Huddles can be performed in under 7 minutes. 4 key topics should be answered in a huddle. First, what did you accomplish? Next, what do you need to do? Then, is there anything preventing you from doing that today? And finally, assign actions. And that's it. Huddles and meetings as they relate to pull system implementation. We'll see you in the next module.